ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 42, Destruction of the Cartwheel Asura. अयेसुतं देहि जगत्पतेः कृपा तरङ्गपातात्परितामद्य मे इति स्म सङ्गः गृह्यत्पिता त्वदङ्गकम् मुहुर्मुहुः श्रियश्यति जातकण्टकः. Verily the Lord's grace alone saved my darling. Hand him over to me. So saying, Nanda thy father took thee up in his arms and embraced thee again and again with his hair standing on ends owing to excitement. कदापि जन्मर्क्षदिने तव प्रभो निमन्त्रित्यान्ति वधुमहीसुरा महानसस्त्वां सविदे निधाय सा महानसादौ ववृते व्रजेश्वरी. O Lord, once on thy birthday, the queen of Nanda, who had invited relatives, ladies and holy men for the birthday feast, laid thee near a big cart and was busy in the kitchen preparing food for the reception of the guests. ततो भवत्राणनियुक्तबालकप्रभृति सङ्क्रन्दनसङ्कुलारवैः विमिश्रमश्रावी भवत्समीपतः परिस्फुटदारुचटचटारवः. Some time afterwards heard the loud and frightened cries of the boys deputed for thy protection, mingled with the crackling sound of wood smashed to smithereens. ततस्तदा कर्णनसमप्रमश्रमा प्रकम्पी वक्षोजबरावज्राङ्गणाः भवन्मन्दर्दशुः समन्ततो विनिष्पतदारुणदारुमध्यगम. Frightened by the sounds, the women of Vraja came running with their breasts heaving out of excitement and exertion, and saw thee lying in the midst of a frightful heap of crashed pieces of wood. शिशोरहो किं भूदिति धृतं प्रधाव्यनन्दः पशुप्राश्रव भूसूरः भवन्तमालोक्य यशोदया धृतं समाश्रश्वनुर्जलार्द्रलोचनाः. Alas, what has happened to the baby? What has happened to him? Crying thus, Nanda, the Gopas and the assembled Brahmanas rushed to the spot and finding thee in Yashoda's arms, felt relieved and shed tears of joy. Kasko nu kautaskuta esha vismayo vishankatam yachakatam vipatitam न कारणं किञ्चिदिहेति ते स्थिताः स्वनासिकादत्करास्तव दीक्षकाः. What wonder is this? How could this have happened? A huge cart lies here shattered to pieces. We find no explanation. Exclaiming thus, they looked at thee in astonishment with their fingers on their noses. कुमारकस्यास्य पयोधरार्थिनः प्ररोदने लोलपदाम्बुजाहतं मया दृष्टमनो विपर्यगा दितिशती पालकबालका जगुः. This baby, hungry for milk, began to cry, kicking up its legs, and while doing so, this cart was overturned by his tender legs. We saw it, didn't we? Thus, O Lord, did the boys in attendance on thee declare. Biyatada kinchidjanataamidam कुमारकाणामतिदुर्घटं वचः भवत्प्रभावा विदुरैरीतिरितं Managivashankayatadashtadbhutanaiha. The people assembled, who knew nothing of thy superhuman prowess, felt the words of these boys, who were dazed with fright, as inconsistent and unacceptable. But for those of them who had witnessed the Putana incident, it was not altogether unbelievable. प्रवालताम्रं किमिदं पदं शतं सरोजरम्यौनूकरौ विरोजितौ इति प्रसर्पतर्करुणाततरङ्गिता स्तवदङ्गमा स्पृशूरङ्गना जनाः. Have these legs, pink like tender leaves, been bruised? Have these lotus-like arms been fractured? With such inquiries and agitated movements caused by excessive sympathy, the women of Vraja began to stroke thy body gently. अनोनिलिनः किल हन्तुमागतः सुरारिरेवं भवता विहिंसतः रजोऽपि नो दृष्टममुष्य तत्कथं स शुद्धसत्त्वे त्वयि लीनवानध्रुवम्. The demon who came disguised as a cart to kill thee was thus destroyed by thee. Not even a trace of his rajas, meaning both his evil nature and particles of the body, was to be seen anywhere there. How could this be unless the whole of his being was dissolved in thee, who art of pure sattva, unless he attained to complete purification and absorption in thee? प्रपूजितैस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः विशेषतो लम्बितमङ्गलाशीषः व्रजं निर्जैर्बाल्यरसैर्विमोहयन् मरुत्पुराधीशरुजां जहीहि मे. Thou, O Lord of Guruvayur, for whose welfare and protection Brahmanas invited specially and received with honor, then performed auspicious rites and ceremonies, and who delighted the whole of Vraja by the sweetness of thy childish plays, may thou deign to relieve me of the tortures of this ailment. So the Canto 42 is completed. I'll be back with Canto 43 in the coming week. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.